Hello guys, I am Shazad Ahmad and welcome to lecture number 27. Today we are going to add the coupons in our product or in our store, so you can easily understand how can you create your coupons and how your user can use that coupon. So first of all, coupons is the best way to increase your sales. So go to your WooCommerce, you have your coupons sections, create your first coupon. Not just a second. Create your first coupon. Create your first coupon. Okay, so now you have to add your coupon name. For suppose I'm saying WooCommerce coupon. Okay, you can also add dashes or something like that. It's totally dependent upon you. Okay, I'm adding the dash. Okay, WooCommerce coupon. Add your descriptions if you need anything. For suppose description here. Discount type, so select your discount type: fixed card discount, fixed product discount, or percentage. I'm saying 100%, that means it's free. I'm saying 95%, that means the discount type is percentage and it's 95% off. It's totally dependent upon you. In this time I'm saying 100%. Okay, when your coupon expires, so select your date. For suppose it expires after 2 days, so today is the 15/7/2018. I'm saying it expires after 2 days. Okay, so usage of coupon, so in individual use only. Okay, first of all, minimum and maximum spend. You can also select anything. Select your product. For suppose, so select your product, which coupon you want to add in your product. If you are going to add this coupon to all of your product, just leave it empty. Otherwise, write the coupon name. For suppose Success Plus. So this is your, I'm going to discount this iPhone 6s Plus 100%. Okay, so usage limit, I'm saying that the limit of the coupons is 200 and user limit per person is 1. So publish this. So now I have this coupon. Just promote this coupon on your social networks on via email. So go to your product. So this is the product. I have already this product in my cart, so check out. We have connected in local, so that's why it's showing this error. Control F5. I don't know why it's okay. So now where is the coupon? So hit this button. So use your coupon, apply, wait for a few seconds. Check out your, it's saying fail to load the reserve service, replace with internal 500. So it's giving us error. So refresh the page. Now add your coupon here, apply. So you have added the coupon. So now it's totally free. So as you can see, you have $400 and coupon fee is $400, total 2, because okay, your shipping amount is 2, so that's why we are receiving 2. So what you just need to go to your WooCommerce setting, remove your shipping amount, your shipping, delete. Okay, now refresh the checkout page, use your coupon, remove your coupon first of all, and remove this one. Add your product. So now select the iPhone, select your color, your capacity or your internal storage. We have added, proceed to checkout. So now as you can see, you have your $25. Okay, so what you just need to add your coupon if you have. So coupon, I'm saying what is the name of our coupon. So go to your coupon. I forgot the name. I think it's WooCommerce. Okay, WooCommerce coupon. Apply your coupon. Coupon is applied successfully. Now it's $0. Place order. So you have successfully placed your order with discount. Okay, so this is the order. Go to your page, refresh the page. So as you can see, you have just received the order from, it's now by default is pending. So how can you do that? We will further discuss about the order sections, but now you go to your coupons area. So you can see you have 200 limit and one coupon is used by a person. So in this way you can add your coupons in your shop. And so that, I think this is enough for today. So thank you for watching.